Did you know the right service expertise can make a real difference to your car's performance and longevity? Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today we explore what makes Maruti Suzuki Authorized service centers the trusted choice for millions of car owners. Powered by state-of-the-art tools and digital diagnostic systems, issues are identified accurately and efficiently. This ensures faster repairs, precise solutions, and complete transparency throughout the service process. Your car is handled by Maruti Suzuki certified technicians who are professionally trained to meet Suzuki global standards. Every service expert follows strict quality and safety guidelines, ensuring reliable care for your vehicle. With every periodic maintenance service, you receive a vehicle health card that gives you a comprehensive overview of your car's condition. It clearly explains which parts are in perfect shape and which areas may need attention, keeping you informed and in control. And that's not all. Every periodic maintenance service also brings you exclusive benefits, including service-activated customer convenience package, service-activated Power Plus warranty, and maintenance plans at unbeatable prices for a joyful ownership experience. Maruti Suzuki Authorized Service, your trusted partner in complete vehicle care. Visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki Authorized Service Center for timely scheduled maintenance, or enjoy the added convenience of our pickup and drop facility. Because regular care today ensures optimum performance of your car always. What car care tip do you want next? Comment below. Stay tuned for more Factful Fridays.